Hello everyone, I'm Brittany from the Therapy Notes Success Team. Today, we'll be going over how to use our internal secure messaging feature to connect with clinicians and other staff within your practice directly through your Therapy Notes account. For information regarding our external secure messaging feature, we recommend viewing our secure messaging tutorial linked in the video description below. To begin, a practice admin will need to enable internal secure messaging for your practice. This can be done by going to the user icon, Settings, Secure Messaging, and clicking the Enable Practice Messaging button. This page is also where you'll be able to set parameters for auto-archiving messages. Currently, messages can be auto-archived after 14, 30, or 60 days, and settings are applied to both client and practice messages. Once completed, click the Save Secure Messaging Settings button. Once internal messaging is enabled, you'll notice a new icon in the upper right corner of the screen, next to the user icon. This icon will take you to the secure messaging inbox, and, if applicable, the number of unread messages will display here as well. If your practice also has external messaging enabled, hovering over the secure messaging icon will show a tooltip listing the number of unread internal or external messages currently in the inbox. The internal secure messaging feature is set up much like the external one, and currently all messages both internal and external will display in this shared inbox. To create a new internal message, click the blue New button located on the right side of the screen. A new message box will appear, allowing you to select the recipient from the staff list. You can also select a staff group, which allows the practice to message all staff, all billers, all clinicians, or all schedulers. Expanding the staff group by clicking the caret will show all members of that group, allowing you to remove any unnecessary recipients. Similar to client messaging, text must be entered in the subject and message body fields in order to send a message. Once you've filled out your subject and message body fields, click Send Secure Message. A banner will display, letting you know that the message has been sent successfully. You will now see the message thread on the left side of the screen, listed in your inbox. Clicking into a message displays the message and any responses received. Here, you can also edit the subject line, archive the message, or delete the message. Unlike external messaging, internal messages are currently not able to be exported through Therapy Notes. The search bar on the left is used to locate patient or staff messages, and the drop-down for read and unread messages is located towards the top of the page. From this drop-down, you can filter messages by read and unread only, all including archived, and deleted. Please note that deleted message threads will be permanently removed after 30 days. If you wish to restore a message thread, you can do so by filtering by deleted messages, selecting the thread you would like to restore, and selecting the Restore Thread option on the upper right side of the page. When a new message is received, a blue dot will indicate what is an unread message. Any new messages within the thread will also feature this dot, letting you know which messages are new in the thread. If another user is currently viewing a thread, a small indicator will let you know which user is viewing which thread. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more from Therapy Notes, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching!